With New Year's Eve just 2 days away, a lot of new laws are about to go into effect in California, impacting everything from public safety to health care, housing, and much more. So that includes things like AB 352, which prohibits companies that manage electronic health records from sharing information on procedures like abortions, gender-affirming care, or anyone coming to California for one of those procedures. AB 545 expands voter access by letting people with disabilities cast a ballot outside of any polling place rather than having to go in. And two new laws aimed at increasing housing affordability. One requiring all local governments streamline the process to approve affordable housing, and another that allows for housing to be built on property owned by religious or private higher education institutions. So there will also be new laws to protect employees in the workplace and expand treatment for opioid addiction. Max Darrow has the details.
From laws impacting public safety to health care to housing and more, California will see plenty of new laws on the books once we enter 2024. That will include numerous ones surrounding employment and the workplace. We'll start with AB 2188. Starting on January 1st, it'll be unlawful for most employers to discriminate against employees or job applicants based upon their use of cannabis away from the workplace or off the job. Exceptions include those who work in building and construction trades as well as federal workers. SB 616 increases the amount of paid sick days employers are required to provide to their employees. They must provide 5 sick days per year. Previously, employers were only required to give 3. On January 1st, statewide minimum wage will go up to $16 an hour. In April, AB 1228 takes effect, which will raise the minimum wage for fast food workers to $20 an hour. And then in June, SB 525 takes effect, which will begin the process of scaling up the minimum wage for healthcare workers to $25 an hour by 2033. In the public safety arena, SB 673 will go into effect, establishing an Ebony Alert notification system. This is similar to an Amber Alert, but it is specifically for missing black children and women between 12 and 25 years old, who proponents of the bill say are disproportionately represented on the lists of missing persons. State Senator Stephen Bradford authored that bill.
African-American young individuals make up almost 40% of those individuals who come up missing. African-Americans, whether they're children or young adults, are often listed as runaways.
Switching gears now to AB 663, which takes effect on January 1st. This law will allow mobile pharmacies to carry and dispense certain controlled substances that the FDA has approved for the treatment of opioid use disorder. Proponents of this law hope it'll help prevent deaths and increase access to treatment, especially for those who are unhoused. Fentanyl remained top of mind in 2023. Starting in 2024 with the passage of AB 701, those convicted of dealing high amounts of fentanyl can face steeper prison sentences.
And BART riders, listen up. Fares are going up by 5.5% starting January 1st. That is an average increase of about 23 cents per trip.